another Big Ace adventure in the last frontier of the US. This video had us taking a ride on a bus up to Canada to board our train. Skagway, Alaska is known for its Klondike Gold Rush history and access to the wilderness. The bus ride is around 2.5 hours long, taking you through the most beautiful scenery. After witnessing the Klondike Highway, we came to the Fraser border crossing and the White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad train station. We got off the bus and headed towards our train car. Some cars are older than the railroad itself, built in 1889 and 1891, while others date to the railroad's construction in 1898 and have been in service since then. Upon boarding, we were given a booklet telling us all about the Klondike Gold Rush, the train, and the town itself. The views were stunning. The rushing streams, tall snow-capped mountains, lush green fields, and rocky terrain were a spectacular way to start our train ride. In 1898, Skagway, Alaska was the gateway to the Klondike Gold Rush, but getting to the gold meant facing the brutal 40-mile ascent over the mountains, a path of mud, snow, and grueling danger known as the White Pass Trail. The solution was considered impossible: build a narrow-gauge railway through this towering, unforgiving terrain. Engineers faced cliffs, granite peaks, and hundreds of feet of ice, a challenge few believed could be overcome. Yet it was done. This railroad was evidence to the sheer human will, with crews dynamiting their way through solid rock and building perilous bridges over churning gorges. Incredibly, the entire line was completed in just 26 months. The impact was immediate and enormous. The railroad transformed a multi-week, death-defying hike into a swift, safe, and comfortable journey, cementing Skagway's role as a major commercial hub for decades to come. If you were worried about bathrooms, there is one in every train car with a sink to make things more comfortable. All along the ride, there are sheer drop-offs of hundreds of feet you can look down at. Making it out of the tunnel, we had a breathtaking view and could see an actual steam engine headed up at us. We were all excited to be able to see another train pass us going up the tracks, back the way we came. All along the way, there are streams, creeks, and waterfalls, so keep your eyes peeled for these picture opportunities.
That is so wild. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, hello.
After passing the steam engine, we trailed on slowly, because there was another train coming up needing to pass in a few more minutes. Just look at the views, the sheer scale of wilderness. It felt so immense, so utterly untouched. We were riding a narrow gauge path carved right through it, and you couldn't help but feel small out there in the last frontier. For over a century, this line was the main artery. Every click of the wheels is an echo of the footsteps of thousands who labored here, transforming a deadly mountain hike into a working lifeline. You could practically feel the presence of those determined prospectors. They came here searching for a future, chasing gold, and for those moments we were there, retracing their story. As we wound through those spectacular mountains, that old train connected us directly to that powerful, wild past. It was a profound moment of reflection. Riding on the train car, you have the option to stand outside if you choose to do so. If you do not want the window glare in your camera, it's better to stand outside and get your best shots while on the ride. Soon we came to flatter terrain where the train started to level out. The train followed the Skagway River back to the town. Today, the White Pass and Yukon route is a National Historic Civil Engineering landmark. It continues to operate, offering passengers a breathtaking journey that retraces the footsteps of those who dare to chase a dream.